Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's experiment is magic milk. Things we need: 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know how it works?
Milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. Protein and fats are susceptible to changes. When dish soap is added to the milk, the soap molecules run around and try to touch to the fat molecules in the milk. However, you wouldn't see this change happen without the food coloring. The food coloring looks like fireworks because it's getting bumped around and a color explosion, making the milk magical. The soap lowers the surface tension of the milk. When the soap molecules head for the fats, they form spherical micelles. This causes movement and creates cool bursts and swirls of color.